Kidney failure is a serious health problem that's on the rise. It is important to be aware of the causes of kidney failure and to maintain good kidney health. Kidney failure occurs when the kidneys become damaged or diseased. The most common causes of kidney failure include high blood pressure, diabetes, certain medications, and chronic diseases such as lupus and HIV. Uncontrolled glucose levels, hypertension, and infections can be causes of kidney failure. High blood sugar levels, or diabetes, can damage the kidneys over time and lead to kidney failure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, can cause damage to the blood vessels in the kidneys, making them less efficient at filtering the waste from the blood. Infections can also damage the kidneys and lead to kidney failure. It is important to take preventive measures to protect the kidneys from these conditions, such as maintaining a healthy diet, getting regular checkups, and exercising regularly. Staying hydrated and avoiding tobacco and certain medications can help protect your kidneys. Tobacco can cause inflammation and damage to the delicate tissue in the kidneys, so it is important to avoid smoking and using any form of tobacco. Additionally, certain medications can cause damage to the kidneys and should be used with caution. It is always important to consult with your doctor before taking any medications. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider and monitoring of any existing health conditions can help reduce the risk of kidney failure. By staying on top of your health and getting regular checkups, you can minimize the risk of kidney failure and keep your kidneys healthy. It is important to understand the risks and take steps to protect your kidneys. Taking proactive steps to protect your kidneys now can help prevent the long-term effects of kidney failure.